we are going to factory reset, completely clear all data off of an iPhone 8 Plus. Make sure that your device is off. Make sure your iTunes is on. We're going to take our lightning cable and we are going to connect the two devices. Immediately after connecting, we're going to hold down the volume down on the phone and the power button. So here we go. Plug in, power, and volume down at the exact same time. And we're going to see the Apple logo turn on. And then we're going to see the iTunes Connect prompt. Sometimes it can take a moment for the two devices to connect. There we go. We are connected. Now we're going to move to our screen, and this menu comes up. There's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. No, there's not a problem. We just want to erase all data, and this is the method we use. We're going to choose Restore, and it's going to bring up the verification. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased, and the newest version of the iPhone software will be installed. This is what we want. So choose this. And now the two devices are going to talk to each other, and we'll be back in a little bit. Almost there. Stand by a little bit longer. All right, she is finished, and this phone happens to have an activation lock, but what has happened is that we have restored it, which means we've erased all data that's on the phone. Now this phone can be recycled for parts, and give a thumbs up if this has helped you. Thanks for watching.